good, on. Doing a great job. Yeah, she's making the good food here. Hey guys. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. It's on you. Hello. Got some good food here, guys. Check this out. Just in time. Look at this.
This one and fish, salmon fish. Yeah.
Salmon fish.
Yeah, my number one for me.
The queen salmon.
Yeah.
Instead of king salmon, it's queen salmon.
And I don't know how to say, but the fish salmon and with the sing Cambodia say andទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវ but I don't know how to say. Sorry, this one and noodle chicken.
Ooh, delicious! I can't wait.
Noodle chicken, very good. I like that.
And then the son has some food coming soon too. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. And rice with the seafood.
Ooh, nice.
And rice seafood.
We're over here in Phnom Penh, guys, across the street from the Peninsula Hotel. If you guys stay there, this is a great place to eat. They got cold beer, lots of wine. Look at the wine here, guys. Check this wine selection out here. For all you vino fans, they got a lot of wine to choose from. So a little street food, a little dive joint. You know we're known for that. So yeah, let's check things out here and see how the food tastes.
Now I try and fish salmon. A lot of spicy. Yeah, a lot of spicy. But I love spicy. Okay. Oh my God, make me hungry.
The mouth is watering, salivating.
Strong mouth, you know. Wow, very good.
How can that on?
Chili, spicy. Very good. I like that. Oh my God.
Yeah, we figured we'd grab a little bite to eat. We got a little bit of time to kill before we go and catch another bus. We are leaving Phnom Penh today, heading down to, what do you call it, Sinouville?
Yeah, Sinouville.
Sinouville, yeah, they call it Sinouville. We're heading down there, let's take the bus, and we'll see you guys on that bus too, because we're going to do YouTube on that bus. So make sure you check it out, that video out coming up next. But all right guys, let's check these noodles out. They look pretty darn good.
Okay.
All right, let's see. They got they don't have the a lot of people. They have the a lot of people now. They use the ramen instant noodles like you see in America for 25 cents at Walmart, and it's like, man, they want to charge like $5. So this is actual real noodles, homemade here, and it's for $2.50. So let's check it out, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. 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 Al dente. Mmm. Great. Medium spicy. It's not too bland, but not too spicy. A lot of flavor. So yeah, it's very good. Let's see how the son's food does here. This is Linda's son. What's his name?
Hatsai.
Hatsai.
Yeah, Hatsai.
Okay, Hatsai. Say hello. Try the food there. See how it is.
Rice and seafood, very good.
Rice and seafood.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and
good
seafood,
stuff there.
yeah, and chicken also.
And chicken.
Yeah, $2.50.
Rice, chicken, seafood with the rice there, spicy, and $2.50. So let's see.
Good.
Good?
Hatsai?
All right, yeah. He doesn't know a lot of English, but that's okay. He's got a new job down there in Sinouville. Yeah, we're taking him down there for a new job at a hotel. He's very excited, good pay, his first big job, and also his first time away from family. So we're very excited for him and very proud of him for taking such a big step, because he's always been in Siem Reap, you know, and really never left. So yeah, let's check it out, guys. Great day over here, guys, in Phnom Penh. If you guys check out the previous video we just did, we did the bus from Siem Reap down to here to Phnom Penh, and we got a video on that, so check out the link in above there right now for that video if you want to check that out. And then we stay also at the, across the street there at the Peninsula Hotel. Great place, by the way. Watch for the full review coming, a couple videos after this, and check that one out. But yeah, and going to be my first time going to Sinouville and checking that place out. So I'm excited to see Cambodian, the ocean there in the Andean Sea there, because we've been to Thailand, of course, but being interested to see how Cambodia does. Yeah, it's a good day. It's not too hot today, maybe low 90s. Humidity is relatively stable, so yeah, it's a good day. But we're just enjoying a quick lunch. We got to leave in about 45 minutes to the bus station, take a tuk-tuk, and catch the bus down there. So it should be an exciting time there as well. One of the things I love about Cambodia is always somebody always selling food. No matter what time of day it is, what time of night. Somebody on the road or a little restaurant like this here has got food open, and it's always so delicious. The garlic, the onions, oh my goodness. It's chef's kiss every times 10. It's just so delicious, oh my goodness. If I ever have to not live in Cambodia, this is what I will miss, but I will always live in Cambodia. So I'm fortunate to always enjoy this. Yeah. Never been good at chopsticks. There we are. Look at that, guys. We got the lettuce, the onions. Oh yeah. Joe Moyd, everybody out there. Cheers. Yes, there is. You saw that right. Ice in the beer. Beer is not kept cold, so you have to have ice. So you got to drink quick because otherwise it gets watered down and it's no good, you know. I love Cambodia. Ask her what she's cooking.
Cambodian food and Cambodian called name Salo Machu. Salo Machu spy. Spy tray fry. Salo Machu spy tray fry and yeah, like fish and riverside and salad.
Salad and fish in the riverside.
Yeah.
Yeah, good
this
stuff.
This one for eat with the oyster.
Oh, okay. Your favorite?
Indian, yeah, very good for me. Indian and this one.
Onion. Riverside food.
Yeah, eat with the oyster. You have this one. You want to see spicy? Yeah, spicy.
Oh, take home spicy.
Yeah.
Take away.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, looks good.
They play and have a lot of food and also have a lot of seafood. Yeah, and they cook very good also and khmer food. It's nice. I hope everyone will come here. This place is nice place. Yeah, very good. You can try and also very cheap price. Yeah.
Boy, mơ you sát, mơ plei ở sau xa này, cà phê you sát cuốn, sọc chân vô you sát cuốn.
Yeah, thank you. She say I look very beautiful. She say look. One a little bit, not beautiful, but when you look long time, very beautiful.
You guys see that? If you leave a thumbs up in the comments below if you think Linda's beautiful, I'm gonna leave a thumbs up too. Show you guys real quick where they're located. I always try to leave the location and where we eat, where we visit on the description. But I cannot find this place on Google Maps. It's been here a while, but I'll give you a quick idea here, guys. Look at this. We got the Peninsula Hotel. And then right next door to that is the Peninsula Residence right here. And then this is their signage they got right here, guys. So if you guys want to eat here, check this out. So that way you guys kind of know where this is at. It's a pretty cool little place. Lots of seafood. They specialize in seafood. I see everything from lobsters, octopus, crabs, turtles, you name it, frogs. You like seafood? This is the place to be. Check this out, guys. Yeah, the food is very, very good. We're very happy we stopped here. And as a barang, I like that noodles, you know, those big, thick noodles like spaghetti. Sometimes even like fettuccine. Very hard to find sometimes in Cambodia. Like I said, a lot of places they like to charge you more, but they give you the instant noodle, which is not good. I mean, that was great in college, so like when I was young, but not anymore. So, ugh. So let's check it out, guys. Oh, doing a great job there. Look at that. Yeah, great job there. Looking delicious. This is where they do all the food prep right here, guys. They're doing a great job. Check this more out here. Hey. Yeah. Tell people how to find your place. Do you have an address?
កត់ថាម៉េចទីតា
còn là cái này nữa cái này cái này cái này
សមុទ្ររៀម
Okay.
សមុទ្ររៀមខុសឃើញខ្លះនេះ
Ah, yes, that is the queen of the place right here. She knows how to do. So you guys come here. Tell her Mahoney Travels sent you guys. All right.
Okay, I hope everyone have good day and good luck for with your family. Please don't forget add and YouTube Mahoney Travel. He will show you and a lot of new video and Phnom Penh. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye. Show you another video.
មករកប្តីឲ្យពួកខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយផង
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. We gotta go catch this bus, and we're gonna be walking to Shunaville. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. Ciao.